today I make crispy fried fish fillet. Look fabulous and taste even better. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe to show your support. Thank you. So I have fillets fish here. If you watch my early previous video, you will see I make a noodle soup with cooked fish and fried fish. And I didn't make include the fry part in the video. So because I don't want the video too long. So now I got to do it here. To season the fish, I use crab boil seasoning. This is New Orlean special. Just need 2 tablespoons. And I sprinkle cornstarch over them. And now the crispy part. I mix 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of milk. You can use cream. And here is panko breadcrumbs. I have seasoned this too. Now I will take the fish already coated with cornstarch and seasoning and dip in the egg wash. And I let it drip off most part of the eggs. And dip into the panko breadcrumb. And I press it down so that the breadcrumb stick to the fish. And that's it. You do this too until you have no more fish fillets. Here you go. I already done all of them. Now they are ready to be fried. So I use very little oil. I deep fry them, but I use the pots. You can see I use small pots so that I use the amount of oil less. I just want them to coat the fillet, and it barely, you can see. So I fry like 3 pieces at a time, and you let it go like 2-3 minutes, and then it's golden underneath, and you flip and you let it golden underneath again, and that's it. Remove from the oil. So the rule of thumb of frying, if you want extra crispy, you go the second fry. So that's it, and you can eat it with mayonnaise or put in the noodles. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.